I am going to show you a lazy way to make money with Peter Obi, Tinubu, and Atiku. Stay tuned. Hi there, it's Leo here again. I create content on online business and how to make money online and offline. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please smash the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we post beautiful videos just like this one you're watching. And to you, my returning subscriber, I appreciate your coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a new video. I appreciate and I don't take you for granted. You're welcome. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make money using these presidential candidates, Peter Obi, Tinubu, and Atiku. As long as you are in Nigeria, you will know that this is election period and all these candidates have been dishing out speech and rally has been going on. So this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to be copying and pasting every single thing related to this presidential candidate to a platform that is going to pay us for doing so. I know the question will be, what exactly are we going to be copying and to which platform exactly are we going to paste what we've copied? Very good question. You are going to copy videos related to this presidential candidate, Peter Obi, Tinubu, and Atiku, and you are going to upload them to this platform, YouTube. And YouTube is going to pay you for doing that. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step where you are going to copy this video, the app you are going to use in downloading this video, and how to upload this video to avoid copyright strikes from YouTube and start making cool cash for yourself. I'm still going to show you persons that have been doing this and how much YouTube has been paying them, so you too can jump into it and start making cool cash for yourself. But before we go into this video, guys, if you are yet to like our video, please feel free to smash the like button, and if you are still yet to subscribe to our channel, please smash the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we post beautiful videos just like this one you're watching. Let's go, guys. So first, I'm going to show you persons that are making money on YouTube copying and uploading videos related to these presidential candidates, Peter Obi, Tinubu, and Atiku. So the first person I have on my list is Atiku of PDP, and this is her channel, and you're going to see the video that she uploads about these candidates.
That was how my father and his campaign team released a video of him on a stationary bike. Wow, you see? It's a wow something. Fit as a video. In fact, this is what we've been waiting.
So as you can see, this is the kind of video she uploads concerning this presidential candidate, and I'm going to show you another person that uploads this kind of video on YouTube. So the second person I have on my list is 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃, and this is 𝐄𝐋�'s channel. This is also what 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃 uploads on his YouTube channel and gets paid by YouTube. So let's play what he uploads so you can see for yourself. So we have a whole lot of persons that uploads this kind of thing and get paid on YouTube. So I wouldn't want this video to take time, so I'm going to proceed by showing you how much YouTube pays these persons for uploading these videos. So let's go, guys. So the first person I have on my list is Atiku of PDP, and this is how much YouTube pays her monthly for uploading videos related to this presidential candidate. So over here is amount she gets every month for uploading this video. So she receives $693 to $11,000 monthly. All right, so I'm going to show you the next person, which is 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃, and how much YouTube pays him monthly for uploading this video. So let's go to 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃's profile. So this is 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃's channel, and over here is the amount YouTube pays him monthly for uploading this video on his channel. So YouTube pays him $218 to $3,000 monthly. So we are going to calculate how much this person will be making when they receive this money to their local bank account in Nigeria. So let's quickly use a calculator and calculate and see how much they'll be making monthly if you convert this money to naira. So 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃 is making $218 to $3,000. So let's just say he's making $218 monthly. So let's calculate and see how much he'll be making. So a dollar right now is, let's say, is 700, right? So 700 into 218. So 𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃 will be making a whooping $152,600 monthly. Guys, you just have to stop sleeping on a bicycle, stop playing online. All right, stop playing online and start making money for yourself. So this is how much 𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐃 is making for himself: 152,600. So this is how much Adeola is still going to be making monthly. Adeola's own is 682. All right, so let's just say it's even 600. All right, so Adeola will be making 420,000 naira monthly. 420,000 naira monthly. Guys, this is actually profitable. All right, so you just have to jump into this and start making money for yourself. If you don't know how to create YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a separate video, or send me a DM using my contact, and I'm going to take you step by step how to create a profitable YouTube channel. So let's proceed. I'm going to show you how you are going to be getting this video, where you are going to get this video, and how you are going to be downloading it in order to upload it to YouTube and start making money for yourself. So the next place we are going to is Instagram. All right, that's where we are going to be getting this video. So we are going to Instagram, and when you get to Instagram, you are going to see all these videos in Instagram. So let me use this person for example. Let me click on this one. So this is one of the Tinubu's video. So how are you going to download this video? You are going to visit Play Store. All right, you click on Play Store, then you are going to type Insta download. All right, so when you type Insta download, you are going to see multiple Insta downloader. So these are the Insta downloaders. So you just have to choose one and download one. I've downloaded one already. All right, so once you download this, you are going to use it in order to download these videos and upload them on YouTube. All right, so I wouldn't want this video to take time. I would have taken us process on how you are going to download it, but if you still want me to make video on that, let me know in the comment section. All right, I'm going to make video on how to use Insta download to download videos and upload them on YouTube. So after downloading this video, what you would want to do is to get an editing app. All right, so I'm going to show you an editing app that you are going to download in order to join these videos or merge these videos after downloading them. So you are going to be downloading different clips, and you are going to use an editing software or an editing app in order to merge these videos. And after merging it, you're going to shoot a video showing your face, making a comment concerning this video, just like Adeola. But if you wouldn't want to show your face, you just have to use this editing software or editing app to join these clips and edit them, then upload them on YouTube and start making cool cash for yourself. So the application you are going to download is VN. Every of my video I used VN to edit them and upload them on YouTube. Okay, so this is VN. I've already downloaded it. So if you're here to download it, just go to Google Play Store, type VN and download this. Use it to edit or join those clips and upload them on YouTube and start making cool cash for yourself. All right guys, give this video a thumbs up if you got value, all right, in appreciation, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you beautiful people for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate it. If you are yet to like this video, go ahead, smash the like button of this video in appreciation, and if you are still yet to subscribe to our channel, please destroy the subscription button, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we post beautiful videos just like this one you watch. Until next time, I see you again, comrades. Bye.